in Belfast for the Sisters concert. But of course I'm going to do a bit of sightseeing, and of course I'm going to do a bit of thrifting in the centre of town. So one thing that I'm really impressed with about Belfast is that the shopping centre that they've done, it's really nice. Like super nice. It's got all the brands, phrases and flannels and sweaty. It's huge, this. Look at that. Baths, Michael Kors, Whistles, Reese, Hobbs, all the gang are here. Got leather dot mines and a white stuff. Can't forget them. Of course, sea salt and jewels, naturally. I'm in my room. It's another easy hotel because it's cheap and it's cheerful. And it kind of makes sense because I flew EasyJet, so staying in easy hotel as well. Here's your tour. Look, that's the door. That's the loo. And the shower. And me. And the bed. Just nice double bed. Only cost 70 quid this. I usually go even cheaper. Sometimes I go cheaper and they say like, oh, it's 50 quid, but you don't have a window. But they don't have any of them available, so I had to splash out for a window. And to be honest, I quite like them. They're just like so simple. And yeah, it was dirt cheap. Oh, so it's easy hotel, perfect. Right in the centre of town as well. Oh. And I'm going to show you what I've got, what I bought today. All I've done is the centre. Some of the charity shops in Belfast Centre, so I'll show you what I bought. Okay, first of all, because I need to show you, look at how many steps I've done. 10,592. Thank God, 1,127 calories, good, because that's probably how much I've blown for dinner. So this is what I've got. Move that out of the way. So the first thing I got was from the British Heart Foundation, of all things, £6.50. Spirit of the Andes, and it is alpaca. And it's a bit kind of funky and weird enough to maybe do well. I don't usually, Spirit of the Andes, if it's plain, they don't do very well. But like, this is a weird colour, it's got sequins, it's got like little epithet things. I think it should be alright, and it's size 14, so it's alright. Got this for £1. It's a Henry Lloyd woman's like sailing thing top. I got this for £3.50. It's a sea salt top. I'll probably sell that for 15, to be honest. Don't know why I picked it up, but for £3.50. This was £6.95. Do one. No, it wasn't. It was £1, and it's a All Saints kind of blush peach colour. You can't really see on here. There you are. You can kind of see there. T-shirt. Got this for £4, Finch hat and shirt. Should be an easy 20. I paid up £5.50 for this. It's a Paul and Shark shirt. Look, it's a large, but I don't know, I think I might have paid a bit too much. But yeah, they still go pretty well. I could put it up for like 30 and maybe just accept 20. That's alright. I definitely paid up for this, stupidly. It's a linen Bowden skirt and it's £6.95, but it's new with tags. And it's a size 14, so yeah, I think it's from a TK Maxx sale. So obviously someone's got it in the yellow ticket sale. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it up 55 instead of the 14.99. Oh, cheeky. But it is linen and it is pretty nice. I got this as well. £4.50 for a Perry sweater, but it's like burnt orange, it's really nice. And got these for £3.50. Robel jeans. Model Bella. Pretty good. I do well with Rebel. They're like a pin cord. Very nice. And for you eagle-eyed viewers wondering, oh my God, how are you going to fit it in your rucksack? That's all you've got. I brought poly bags. And guess what? There's right outside to the left, there is a post office. See? Thinking. So basically I'm just going to send it via Royal Mail back home. Because Northern Ireland is technically the UK. Sorry, politicals. Yeah, so it's been a really good day so far.
You know, it has been truly a hot minute. Being sort of away for this long, the really incredible thing about it is how little we've aged. Seriously, it's amazing. If you're interested, we've got some moisturizer at the merch stand.
There's something dangerous about my love for you. As the day turns into night, I sing for you. And if you wanna know the reason, it's the fire in your eyes.
Some kids learning how to write songs. And that's what's so sweet to me about it. And this next song is one of the most special to me. And I remember the morning we wrote it. I hope it was a Saturday because I was extremely hungover. And I remember we made the chorus first and we were really delighted with them, and this song just spilled out, and it was about one of my best friends in the whole world who used to sit outside in the parking lot while I was inside clubbing. She'd wait for me all night just to make sure I was safe. And her name was Mary. Anymore, living on this side of the Atlantic, which I love so much. And when we announced this concert, it was so sweet because all the time, for like the last 6 months, so many young people, in their 20s and 30s, come up to me on the street and say, "Jack, it's so great to meet you. I got tickets for your concert for my mom and dad." And it was just the sweetest thing. So many people told me they're coming with their parents and with their siblings and with their family. And I hope there's some of you out there tonight. I love it. I love it. I love it. We are Sister Sisters and I see it in your eyes. I feel it in your smile.
So I've gotten back and I'm a bit tired. It's been a bit of a busy day. Yeah, so it was such a good concert. It was so good. Oh my god. I got right at the front. Like, there was like one line in front, but like basically it was right. Oh, it was so good. I witnessed a fight. Not really. But yeah, it was weird. It's a weird kind of, I don't know, is it Northern Ireland this? Or is it elsewhere? Basically, there was 3 people throughout the concert. There was one guy who was like 5 foot nothing, and when they came on, he basically started dancing like an idiot. Like, started dancing like he'd just been electrocuted, and his drink went everywhere. He had an open drink and he was throwing it everywhere, and people were getting wet and people were getting angry with him, and even his friends just like, calm down. And it was only because he was excited, but he was it must have been in his 50s, this guy, 40s, 50s. Then there was a girl who, she was like, I don't know, she was just really weird. She kept on asking me like, oh, do you want a picture? Do you want me to take your picture? The man was like, no, I'm fine, leave me alone. I was like, fine, okay. But she kept on asking. It was like weird. I was like, you know. And then there was a group of girls who were trying to get at the front, and there was a group of men like at the front, a group of guys at the front. Obviously they'd get, because they got there early to be at the front, and they were like, no. And these girls who were in like the 20s were like, they were just, and they were screaming really loud. It was unbelievable. It was like I was like, oh my god. Anyway, the same guys that were there was another guy who basically fell into him when he was dancing, and I don't know if the man at the front was American, I don't know, but he basically started arguing, and that's what that guy was. Yeah, it's just, I feel like, I don't know, when you go to a gig, you dance around, you can be silly and everything, but don't ruin other people's experience of that gig. Just stick to yourself or your group of friends. Don't interfere with someone who is enjoying themselves. You know what I mean? Like, don't, just because they're not dancing the way you're dancing doesn't mean that they're not enjoying it. It was a weird kind of situation. I was just a bit anyway, but it was really good regardless of that. And I'd recommend it to anyone. It's weird how it's been 20 years. 20 years. Oh, since the first, well, I think it was like 18 years since I saw them. I think it was in 2005 I saw them in Manchester. But yeah, I'm tired. I'm gonna go to bed, and more saucy tomorrow. Woo.